Good afternoon and welcome back to another episode. On today's episode I did not do an intro, let alone a outro. But anyway, went out for a fish, me, Dex and Dan. Quite interesting trip. Dex was using a jig and yeah, a few things came up, or mainly one that I was really quite surprised with. So yeah, sit back, enjoy, grab yourself a beer, and yeah, I'll catch you up in the water next time. Peace. First fish on the jig. Right. On the jig.
On my pink one for the first time.
On the pink one. What do you reckon it is?
Pinky.
I reckon it might be pinky too.
Very good one, I think.
Like, he did do a second pass over it, eh?
Yeah.
The drag must be pretty tight, buddy.
It is. The very first spot you said the big sandbar is bigger than me.
Yeah. Well, it should be. They're usually big sandbars here. I think it might be.
Oh, yeah.
It's a flatty. It's a big flatty.
Monster.
Oh,
Jesus!
It's a monster flatty.
Monster. That's huge, boy.
Jesus!
What size is
What's
that?
up a flatty?
Holy moly, on a jig.
Sick.
It's a monster.
That is huge. Holy shit.
Jesus! It's not even flatty season yet.
We haven't even tried for flatties. Yeah, it's on the 90 gram. Ocean's
Big
Legacy
flatty.
again.
Oh,
Go back down again.
Nice. That's killer.
monster. I'm
That
keeping
is
that.
so good.
Are you keeping it?
Yeah.
I have to go. I don't know what
Watch out for the
flatty
Look
is.
at the spikes. Yeah, I don't know. We'll find out when we get it home. I just want to show people at home what it looks like. Nice donkey of a flatty. No 3 metre, but she'll do.
Oh, that's sick.
How good?
Tick that off your list, eh?
I
Yeah.
will. That's 56
56 centimetres, mate. It's a
Mate, that's
donkey.
huge.
donkey.
That is sick, man.
Good first fish for the day. Nice. On a jig. Decent. Still a good one.
Probably another giant flatty.
Might be baldy, I reckon. Feels like a baldy.
Oh, I'm getting embarrassed when I should bring it down.
He's got some bit shakes on him.
Ooh. Fish on.
You on as well? What have I got you? Oh, I've got you as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Pinky!
Little pink. See a little pink. And a jig. Caught a jig as well.
Oh, that's kind of bad.
That is a bad one today. Still not as bad as yesterday's one.
Ha. Don't know.
First pink for the day. Small. Yay.
Dan,
Dan's on.
finally reached this.
Only because we got our tangle out. We had to get our tangle, see? That's why you got a
Well,
fish.
I just had to drop my dad again.
It's only a baby.
Only baby, probably another little pink.
Probably the same pink. He goes down.
Oh, drifted a fair way. What you got?
Probably another pinky.
Nice and slow.
Oh! I think I
There you go, Dan. You got Dan now.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it
Start running it
covered.
up, Dexter.
Oh, yeah? What we got?
What the heck is that? Spanish flag.
Oh no, it's a trigger. Big leather jacket. That's why you couldn't get a hook up. These things are bad.
I jagged him, boy.
Yeah. Nice leather jacket. Big one. He's actually not bad eating. Have you eaten these before?
No.
Actually quite easy and easy to clean. So he'll be coming home. Got teeth on him.
Dex, what are you doing, mate? What are you doing?
I know, he keeps getting tangled up with us.
It might be a Jew.
Hopefully. But he's only going to get me pup. Oh! Well, I got the bottom.
And I'm really digging.
Little baby.
Pup already.
Little baby.
Julie will be the first for today.
It's gonna be a pup, I reckon.
I'm probably gonna hook up Daddy. I'm gonna probably hook up a bigger one than that one, whatever it is. It might be bigger than I'm planning.
It's gonna be a pup.
They're baby.
It's gonna be a pup.
So yeah, it's, I don't know. Pinky.
Little baby.
Little baby.
Pinky.
Pinky. Oh, Skippy. Juicy Christ. Good skip.
I couldn't do it.
Good skip. Oh, yeah, is this with the blue line on, or is it the red line, yellow line on?
Don't dump it in the water.
You're making a mess.
That's why you're holding it. You're embarrassing yourself on camera right now.
You've caught like 4. You've caught 2 scorpions, and you didn't want to, and you didn't even know it was scorpions.
Thanks for letting everyone know, Dex.
Yeah.
Good skip.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
Possibly a fish eye.
Oh boy.
Or maybe even a scorpion.
Possibly a scorpion.
Oh bro, I'm thinking.
Well, get the dog.
You used to be the king at catching scorpions,
Thank you.
and I used to be the king at catching wrasse.
What's happening there?
Oh!
Oh, nice one, mate. Really good job. Really good job.
Great job.
Good
Oh,
scorpion.
that's fucking Harlequin. Eat a dick. Good old Harley.
Are we keeping that? We're keeping it, are we?
For size, can look for Harley on the thing.
I haven't even looked down though.
Got it?
Am I not supposed to look down?
These things are pretty as. Lovely colours. Look at it.
Right,
Hey.
for how
That's beautiful. Nice set of jumpers on her. So yeah, Harlequin with H.
No H there. No H. No H there. No H.
No, it's too far. You're going way too far to use something. Unless it's called something else.
Leather. So what's Riley? Skip that. Riley skippy.
Oh, it's a wahoo actually.
It's a wahoo, eh? Alright, looks like we're getting the fish wreck thing, whatever you call it up.
Hey, this is Julie if it is.
Hopefully. Go on, Dad. Go on, Dad.
Trying to
Go.
do rig for me. And
Oh, shit.
come on! Danny, one of Julie, and that'll be all for today. Here, I just made.
Now, did you say you want a size Julie or you want a just any Julie?
Size Julie. Over 60 at least. And if it's over 60, I'll call her a monster.
No, it's like that.
I think it's going to be Pinky.
Why?
Or another Harley. Oh, by the way, there's no size limit on that Harlequin. So, yeah.
And that was like 39.
The line next. Line. We're going to get big lot. Ooh, this one looks like a baldy. Or big black ass. That's a ball.
That's a boldy.
No.
No, I don't think. No.
That's lucky. Black ass. That's a good one.
That's a huge black ass.
Monster. Probably bigger than the one we got yesterday.
Oh,
Yeah.
definitely bigger.
Nice one, Dan.
Gee, buddy.
That's size.
Fella. How's that? New spot? We're just drifting along.
Oh, mark it.
There
There
you go. Nice break. See you again.
We got so
we're
many
just drifting.
speakers in the fridge.
I know.
Freezer, not freezer.
Yeah, we're just potting along. I was making you rig up for Dexter and cheeky Dan over here. Toucan Dan.
Second fish, finally.
Dex is on the bait. He's had a bit of a moment before we lost his favourite jig. But hey, it is what it is. So we've got him on bait now. So is it still there? Or is it just a false alarm?
You might have lost it. It might be a scorpion.
It could be a scorpion. Just check it anyway. Never know. If it's a scorpion, it'll be your first one.
Yeah.
Nope.
Whatever it was, it smacked pretty hard.
First fish.
Oh, you got nothing there. You got nothing there? Nothing? No. False alarm. False alarm this time?
No.
No? I think I've lost a sinker.
Lost a sinker?
Yeah, I have.
No.
You fucking kidding me? Fuck, this just turned out to be a shit day for me.
Same boat for everybody. There you go, mate. You going good?
Oh, a big bite.
Yeah.
I have a good Jew.
Heavy?
Yes.
Real
That's
heavy?
12 pound thing. Well,
12 ounce.
12 ounce sinker.
Now, what have we got, Dex? What have we got?
Maybe a just size Jew.
Maybe?
Maybe?
Maybe another Harley.
Harlequin, will be my first.
Yeah. I'll just keep losing rigs because
You're nailing it.
I'm nailing it today. This is just as bad as going to Druin last time. So many last time. Lost 16 rigs last time.
Ooh.
16 rigs.
16.
Oh, that's red. Looks red.
What do you got?
Looks like a Harley.
Yeah, boy.
Stands on. I'll just stand back and watch you guys catch fish. This goes right up. I think Dick's got a fucking, yeah, he's got a scorpion.
First.
Don't really want this.
Big scorpion. Jesus.
He's woken up now.
Yeah, more like a Jew. So keeping him or not?
Nah.
Okay.
They're not bad eating. They're alright. Dan's got a black ass. Up.
Finally got my second fish of the day.
Dex's first. Scorpion. Let him live. He's going to be undersized. Drop back there,
Drop
go.
back.
There you go.
Yeah.
Quick, drop it down.
Straight up. Going on top.
Well, we're in Jew country, but Jew's just not hungry. But I'll just keep.
That scorpion got really big.
This is fucking shocking. I can't believe I lost another rig.
No, it was.
Come on, I'm bloody.
You need to show them before you later. Or before you throw it back in.
What's happened to my rig?
What the? I
Those
didn't
flies,
put
you
it
know.
inside.
Oh, I've got it.
Got it.
Show the fan.
Little Bucky.
The baby.
Little baby. He will live to see another day.
I was taking the piss on that one too, eh?
You're like, bam, and then, fish on! Oh, I believe I lost $20.
20 bucks.
Come on, Jig. So you can get 30 Jig for 100. I do. Yeah, Jigs are normally $20 because with 140 bucks for the same ones, you could buy, I don't know, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 6, 8, 10, 12. You can only buy 7. What is that, black ass?
Oh, the Black Sea.
Actually,
Bigger than the last one. At least that one's catching fish. I'll just keep making rigs. I didn't know the camera was on you the whole time. No, it wasn't, Dan. Sorry. Sit down. Didn't see that.
This guy's so fucking chunky, eh? This guy got proper chunky.
we're going to go bait fish after this?
Oh, don't know, yeah, I'll try a couple more spots. There we go. Oh, right in the corner of the jaw, look at that. We need circle hooks when we got these. Hey. Got the good brake seat.
Not bad.
Spiky.
Oh. Got Australia. Beauty.
That's not
Beauty.
Australia.
Well, you thought it was Australia. What's a fish?
35.
Nice. I'm fucking.
I'm hot. I should have took my jumper off.
Yeah, right.
Follow that line and then you find a soft spot. That's where it is. You'll know when you hit it because it'll fucking kick like a motherfucker.
I'm going with that. Yeah?
Yeah.
What is this? It's really big.
Huh?
You'll know when you get it. It's like there's a small little hole that you'll feel it. You'll let you know.
He's definitely not like.
If it's not going in easy, you missed it. What you got, Dex? You getting another brake seat?
True.
Yeah, I got it.
Got it?
True.
I don't know. I want to just fucking the shit out of him.
Run the knife around the gills and bleed him. So you see the membrane in there? Right on there. Just drifting in the middle of nowhere as usual. That's how it goes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Haven't seen colour yet.
I'm on that preferred colour.
It's shallow, Dex. It's only 35 metres.
I know.
How's he going? Is he getting it or?
Having a win?
Woo! Look at those arms. What a floor.
Gonna show those guns for the girls, mate.
Oh. These are all the girlfriends.
That's the way. This might be something decent, eh?
Looks like it.
Yeah.
Dude.
You can do it.
But the same.
Just a big whack.
Yeah, just a big whack.
Just a big whack?
Just a big whack. I was just being silly. Just
Dude, it's brown. Brown in it. Could be baldy.
Baldy!
Could be a break seed too. So you never know. I'm putting my money on a break seed. If it is, it's going to be a horse or a break seed.
It is.
It is a horse of a break seed.
Far out!
That thing's massive.
It's massive!
That puts your one to shame.
Yeah, well. I'll just go home then, eh?
I'm catching at the same fish, but bigger.
You're so lucky. It's ridiculous.
He's got a look on his side, eh? That's a nice break seed. Another one for the Isky.
Jesus.
Maybe I just drop it on top of them.
Oh, lovely.